And that's me. From Reed's Real Reviews, I am Kelly, here today to walk you through the Preferred Club Swim Out Suite at Secrets Playa Blanca. You can see here the bathroom, nicely equipped dual vanities. There's the toilet closet with the shower and the jacuzzi tub. The room here was probably one of our favorites that we've ever been in. If you're Preferred Club, you get the little beach bag that is sort of a souvenir you can take home. A nice spacious patio area here for the swim out areas. The swim outs themselves had several steps. You could kind of sit and chill, especially of an evening, sort of a nice place to unwind. The bathroom itself had several amenities, things that maybe you forgot to bring from home. You had your different, toothpaste and shampoos, things like that. Oh, here, let's talk a little bit about this Secrets box. It's one of our favorite things of staying at a Secrets or an Excellence resort is you can, get your room service delivered directly to the Secrets box, so that folks don't have to come in the room if you don't want them to. Here's some of those amenities I was talking about. Just a nice little touch because it is stressful thinking about everything you've got to pack. The products that you see here are what were provided in the room. We were Preferred Club, so these are supposed to be upgraded amenities. I'm not sure what might be in one of the others. That steamer there was so impressive. My husband loved it. We ended up buying one when we got home. Here's the jacuzzi tub. They provided some bubbles and bath salts and things like that for you to enjoy. Here's the privacy in the room. So you can see it's kind of just this slotted door. If you are, booking with a friend or something like that, there's not a lot of privacy there. The bathrobe there, you could purchase that if you wanted one from home. The swim up rooms as well as the other rooms should all have this mini fridge here with an espresso coffee machine. Here's the plugins. Folks often ask about whether they need some sort of adapter if they're coming from the Europe area. I did find there was not a lot of plugins there, so if you have a lot of devices you need to plug in, maybe bring some sort of extension cord. For me personally, that light flashing on the smoke detector was bothering me, so I took a little video of that. The magnets that hold the closet doors were tough. Like you had to wiggle them to get them to come out of there. I've seen people breaking fingernails and things like that trying to get those doors open. The do not disturb light, it's kind of hard to see there, but you can tell it kind of turned red, so you can, indicate that you do not want to be interrupted. Maybe you're trying to sleep in. Definitely leave tips for these folks. We left a little note for the minibar guy, asked for more Dos Equis. He definitely hooked us up and filled this fridge full for us. The bottle of champagne was there on arrival, and obviously maybe I need to take some lessons on popping the cork because I made a mess. All in all, it's a great room, definitely one that we recommend booking, and we would book this again if we were to return to this resort. So if you like our content, please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps our channel out immensely. We appreciate every single one of you. If you haven't caught it yet, check out our full resort tour. It's a longer video, but it gives you all the ins and outs, plus all of our opinions around this resort, and tells you whether or not, we would come back here over another resort. Thanks again. Until next time.